Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to resolve the OneDrive when the user opens OneDrive, it goes to the dev, website issue, and the user can't open the OneDrive client to connect to his OneDrive. So we see, I have created a user on premise, ID. If I go to domain controller, and then I create a username named test OneDrive, and I also add this user to the ag underscore office underscore 365 underscore e5 underscore users. If users in this group, it will be assigned to the e5 license. So if I think, I then think, run the command to start a sync cycle, policy data. Just successful. If I go to the Office 365 admin.microsoft.com, I select the users, active users, and then I see the test OneDrive is already get a license, Office 365 E5 license. And if I click this one, and then I go to the OneDrive tab, it shows OneDrive using the setup for the user. So user does not have OneDrive setup. But if you go to other user, like for example, if I go to the other user like Linda Linda Smith, I go to OneDrive. So you see Linda Smith has OneDrive setup. It's like this. But if you see this new user created, test OneDrive, go to OneDrive, it says OneDrive using the setup. Then I log into the computer as the test OneDrive account. I log into this user in the on the Windows 10 computer, and then I log into www.office.com, and then if I go to the click the line doors on the top left and click OneDrive, see what happens. So you see the OneDrive is pointing to the dev.aus.dev.office.com. It's not a user OneDrive. So how can we fix this issue? Get the user to log into to create his own OneDrive. So we need to do something from Office 365. Let's go. So if I just minimize this Windows 10 computer, I go to the admin.microsoft.com. I click show all. I just close this one. Click show all, and then I go to the SharePoint. In the SharePoint admin, I click more features, and then in the user profile, I click open button. So just under the user profile, I want to connect the manage user permissions. So I want to add this test OneDrive user. So I click this one, and then click add. So it's verified, and then I add this user to this list. Then I want to give user this permission, create a personal site permission. I give this user this permission and click OK. So if I go to the permission again, I just double check. So click this one. So okay, this one click. So it's already, because I already give this user permission, so it says something goes wrong. So it's okay now. I just clear this one. And then just refresh. If I go to the user computer again, Windows 10 computer and log in. Then I wanted to close this one. And then I click line doors. And then I click OneDrive. It takes some time to replicate the. Let's just close this one. That is. So just test OneDrive. So if I click line doors, OneDrive. Now you see it's showing the OneDrive now. Say it's showing the correct. Just use the OneDrive. Now if I go back to the Office 365 and then I just want to refresh just all users, and then click OneDrive, and then I click OneDrive. So now OneDrive is created, successfully. If I click create a link for files, and then I can open the user's OneDrive. So that's what I wanted to show you, the user's OneDrive. So it's all good now. Yeah, that's all I show you today. Thank you.